You're 40 years old. You check your retirement account. $0. Not behind where you should be. Not a little light. 0. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. You're not doomed, but you are on a clock, and the math on exactly how much time you have left and what it costs to catch up isn't what most people think. Meet Marcus. He just turned 40. Good job, $75,000 a year. Paid off his credit cards last year. Feels like he's doing okay. But when his company switched 401k providers, and he finally looked at the paperwork, one number jumped out. Actually, one non-number. $0 in retirement savings. Here's what happens next for most people in Marcus's position. They do the quick mental math. I need like $1 million to retire. I'm 40. How is that even possible? And then they close the browser tab and don't think about it for another 3 years. That 3-year delay, that's where the actual damage happens. Here's the math nobody does because it's uncomfortable. And uncomfortable math is exactly what we do here, so let's go. The median retirement savings for someone Marcus's age, 35 to 44, is $45,000. Not $1 million. 45,000. That number. But here's the thing. The median for people 55 to 64 is $185,000. That's the gap Marcus has to close in roughly 25 years. About $140,000 of catch-up, not vibes, actual arithmetic. Now here's where it gets interesting. If Marcus starts today and saves $1,000 a month aggressively, but doable on $75,000 and invests it at a 7% average return, here's where he lands at 65. $810,000. That's not $1 million. But combined with Social Security, that's a retirement that actually works. Not luxurious, not retire at 55 and sail around the world, but functional, dignified, the kind of retirement most people actually want. But here's the catch. If Marcus waits 3 years, the classic, let me think about this, delay, that $810,000 drops to $693,000. Same everything else, same salary, same contribution, same return. He just loses $117,000 by not starting at 40. Say it slowly. $117,000. Gone. Because he waited 3 years. That is the price of freeze mode. Not the retirement savings he doesn't have, yet the money he permanently loses by not starting today versus starting at 43. The market doesn't care that you needed time to process. Compound interest runs on calendar years, not emotional readiness. And here's the part that actually matters, the part most retirement content skips. Let me pause and give you the quick win here because this is the part people miss. 1, $0 at 40 is not a death sentence. The actual median for your age group is only $45,000. The starting line is lower than you think. 2, $1,000 a month starting now gets Marcus to roughly $810,000 at 65. Not millions, but functional. 3, every year you wait costs you roughly $39,000 in final retirement value. That's the real emergency, not the current balance, the running clock. So what does Marcus actually do from here? Step 1, get the match or get out. If his employer offers a 401k match, say 50 cents on the dollar up to 6%, that is an immediate, guaranteed, tax-free 50% return. Nothing in the stock market beats guaranteed 50%. Nothing. Marcus puts in 6% of $75,000, that's $4,500 a year. His employer adds $2,250. That's $6,750 before he even picks an investment. Free money he is currently leaving on the table. Step 2, Age 50 catch-up contributions. The IRS lets you contribute an extra $7,500 a year to your 401k once you hit 50. For Marcus, that's 10 years away. If he starts standard contributions now and adds the catch-up at 50, he's not just saving more, he's front-loading the highest earning years of his career into the account when it matters most. Step 3, the investment mix. At age 40, Marcus has a 25-year runway. That's long enough to weather multiple recessions and still capture long-term market growth. An S&P 500 index fund at 7% average returns isn't a gamble over 25 years. It's what the market has actually done across every 25-year window in history. The hardest part of being Marcus isn't the savings plan. It's this. You walk around at 40 feeling like you failed a test that everyone else passed. You see articles that say you should have 3 times your salary saved by 40, and you have 0. The shame is worse than the numbers. But here's what surprises people. 42% of Americans aged 40 to 49 have less than $50,000 saved for retirement. Not 0, but not far from it. The median savings for this age group across all income levels? Around $60,000 to $90,000, depending on the survey. The 3 times your salary benchmark? That's the ideal. The actual median is nowhere near it. Marcus isn't the outlier. He's the majority. The wealth ladder is not fixed. It shifts every time someone decides to stop guessing and start calculating. And Marcus, at 40, still has a 25-year runway. That's longer than most people's entire careers. So here's the actual answer to the question nobody wants to ask. What if you're 40 with 0 retirement savings? The answer is not, you're fine. It's also not, you're screwed. The answer is, you have exactly enough time if you start now, and you lose a 6-figure amount if you wait 3 years. That's not a perspective. That's arithmetic. If you're Marcus, or you know a Marcus, the single most important move is opening the account, not optimizing the investments, not calculating the perfect contribution, just opening it and putting something in it. Because math doesn't reward perfection. It rewards starting. I hope you found this video helpful. This is just getting started. Subscribe for more real math on money that actually matters.